back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is ariannamaee and I'm in a plus size fashion. Today's video we are doing a Walmart try on haul. I actually have a lot of different items to share with you guys today. I have dresses, I have tops, I have shorts, I might have a skirt, I can't quite remember, but I do know that I do have a lot of different pieces to share with you guys today. Lots of different colors, lots of different prints, and I think it's a really good selection. First things first, this dress is so cute. It might be my favorite item of the entire haul, and I haven't even tried on anything else, so I'm really excited to get into this video. As always, links everything that I tried on today will be in the description box below, as well as my stats, so you can check my measurements, and a link to my Poshmark closet so you can shop my size. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video because there is a lot of fun things that I want to show you guys. So the first I'm going to show you guys today is this dress. It is called the No Boundaries Juniors Plus Ruffle Midi dress. Got in a size XXL and it was originally $17.98. I think this dress is so cute. I love the fit on it. It is like a midi length dress, which I prefer. I said dress funny, but I prefer this length when it comes to dresses because it's really good for like chafing, and it is lined so it's not see-through. I also just love the fit of it. It's more fitted on top and then it's a little bit looser on bottom but not super loose. I also love this ruffle trim and the adjustable straps, and also can we just talk about this very beautiful ditzy floral print. I literally have no complaints about this dress. I just think it's so stunning and it's a really great like brunch dress. I can see myself going out to brunch with friends and wearing this and looking so cute. So I 10/10 recommend it. It's so cute. I'll go ahead and show you the back, but I literally have no complaints about this dress. It just fits so well. So this is the next outfit to show you guys today. The top is called the No Boundaries Juniors Seamless Multi-Way Brami. I got it in a size XXL and it was originally $6.48. And then a pair, I got these short. They're called the No Boundaries Juniors Plus Denim Carpenter shorts with elastic back. I got them in a size 23W and they were originally $16.98. We're gonna go ahead and start with this top. So this top I have gone before into her videos in different patterns and I really liked it. I think this neon is just so fun. It's honestly not coming up in the video how bright it is, but it's like true bright neon green. I think it's so cute. It's very stretchy, very comfortable. These straps are not adjustable, but they are really cute. Like, I know that doesn't really make up for it, but I love this like this two strap detail, and it's just very comfortable and soft. These shorts, unfortunately, I could have sized down in. I have a little bit of a gap in the back, even though it's very stretchy, and I also do have a little bit of room here in the front as well. It does have these huge front pockets, which I like, and the length is actually pretty good as well. The color is stunning, and I think it just would have looked a lot better in a size down, but I don't really have too many complaints about it other than that I need to size down. But yeah, super cute. I like both pieces. I'm not going to keep either piece, but I like them, and I'll go ahead and show you what the back looks like. So this is what the back looks like. So here's another pair of shorts, but honestly these are definitely a no-go for me. They're called the Signature by Levi, Strauss & Co. Women's plus size heritage 5-inch Fray hem shorts, and I got them in a size 22W and they were originally $22.98. Honestly, the length on it is really good. I just think this is very awkward fitting here in the front. I have a little bit of like looseness in here, but then it also like comes down. So yeah, not a fan of it. It is a traditional button and zipper closure, and they do have front and back pockets, but it just isn't really meant for my body shape. They are really comfortable though, and definitely super stretchy, and they do fit me. They just fit awkwardly down here at the crotch area. I do love the length on though. I feel like this is kind of like my best fitting length. So when now looking for shorts in the future, I want to make sure that I get a 5-inch inseam because these fit really well and I really like it. They're also a nice high-rise, but again, they're super awkwardly fitting here in the front. But let me go ahead and show you what the back look like so you know for your own reference. Switching bottoms real quick just one more time. So these are called the Free Assembly Women's 7/8 legging. I got them in a size XXL and they were originally $18. I decided to size up on these ones because I hear that Free Assembly is more like a juniors brand and they tend to be a little bit smaller, so I'm like, okay, I'll size up. This is definitely my perfect fit. They don't appear to be super see-through. They're very soft and buttery smooth, very stretchy. There are no pockets unfortunately, but overall I really like these bottoms. I love the color on them. They're nice and high-waisted. They're great for workout wear. Like, they're just so freaking comfortable, and they're a great length on me as well. They are the 7/8 legging, so I 10/10 recommend these. I literally have no complaints about them. Just make sure that you're looking at the size charts for reference. I'm usually a size 18-20. I got a size XXL and it fits just great. So overall, 10/10 recommended. I really like these ones. Let me go ahead and show you what the back looks like. But honestly, They just fit so stinking well. So I'm not really a maxi length girly, but I want to try on one for you guys today. This one is called the Sophia Jeans Women's Plus Size Empire Halter Maxi Dress. I got in a size 2X and it's originally $34, so a little bit on the pricier side for Walmart. Honestly speaking, from experience with wearing this, definitely stick to your normal size. I should have got this in a size down, in a size 1X, because it would have fit a little bit better. And there is just a little bit of like extra room up here. My chest clearly does not fill it out. It is a halter neckline, so you do tie it in the back, and it does have like this pretty nice like empire waist that you also tie in the back, so very adjustable in terms of that. It's also a maxi dress, and it goes all the way down to the floor on me. It doesn't touch the floor. It's like an inch off the floor, and I'm 5'6" for reference. So this is actually a really good length for me, but personally I should have sized down in it. I also gotta say that it's a little bit see-through, so that's not a personal preference of mine. I love that it has pockets on it. The pockets are a little bit lower than I had hoped because I don't have kind of a slouch to put my hands in there, but overall the dress is like a good concept. I love like this scallopy kind of frilly hem with the pom-poms, but it's just a little bit too big on me, and then also a little bit too see-through for me. But the color is really stunning, and if you don't mind the see-throughness of it, I really do recommend this dress. Just make sure to get it in your normal size. So I'll go ahead and show you what the back looks like, but overall it's cute, just not really for me. I also forgot to mention that it has like slits in it, which is a really fun detail. Okay, immediately off the bat, I don't like this dress. It is called the No Boundaries Junior Strapless Dress. Got a size XXL. It was originally $12.98. I am gonna be perfectly honest with you guys. It's not actually strapless. There are straps, but you can take off the straps if you prefer. Just so you know, the dress is actually really short. I would not feel comfortable wearing this in public, especially on the back, which I'll show you in a second. But I'm just not a big fan of it. I think the pattern is really cute, and I love how like soft and comfortable it is, but it just fits me really awkward. I don't like the length. I don't like the fit here on my stomach area, and then the top is really awkward for me as well. There are pads in them. You can remove them, and they're super duper awkward. There's also elastic, so this sticks up with you, and then this tie, which is like a fake tie, doesn't really adjust anything. Material is very soft and comfortable. It doesn't appear to be see-through, but again, it's just too short for me, and I don't like the fit anywhere really. But I'll go ahead and show you what the back looks like. So like maybe if you're a different body shape, it might fit better on you, but for me, it's just a no-go. Okay, another outfit change for you guys. I would not wear these pieces together in real life, but I just put them together for the sake of this video. The top is called the Avia Women's Plus Size Crop Tank Top with cutout back. I got them in a size 1X, and it was originally $9.98. And the bottoms are called the Avia Women's Plus Size Print Bike Shorts. Got them in a size 3X, and they were originally $13.98. Okay, first things first, both pieces kind of fit me crap. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this top. This top is a really pretty color, which is why I got it. However, it either needs to be a full length top or a cropped top. It can't be this like mid top. I would prefer it to be slightly more cropped if I have my preference. I guess I could tie it up, and that would actually probably benefit me the most in this situation. I think the color is really pretty, and it's really great like athletic top, but it's just not my personal fit. And these bottoms, I should have sized down in. Like, it doesn't look like they're too big on me, but there is a lot of gapping pretty much everywhere. I would benefit from a size down for sure. The pattern is really fun, but it's not really my kind of pattern. Like, I personally wouldn't wear this. They're super soft and buttery smooth. They're not see-through at all, and they do have pockets here on the sides. So these are actually a really good option. Honestly, I might look on the site and find a pair of bottoms that are a size down and a different print and pick up those, because I could see myself working out in this kind of like material, but just not in these because they're too big, and I'm not the biggest fan of the pattern. But I will go ahead and show you what the back looks like. These shorts are also high-waisted and a really good length on the bottom so that you're not going to chafe. So it's a really good idea in theory. I just need a size down and a different print. But if you like this print, I do recommend it. Just make sure you get your normal size. Okay, so this is the next dress I have to share with you guys today. It is called the Madden NYC Juniors Plus Size Women Cutout Dress. I got a size 3X. It was originally $19.50. I'm going to be completely honest. I love this dress. 10/10 recommend. I think it's so cute. I love the pattern. It's very tropical, very islandy. It fits me really well. I could get a size down, but I don't necessarily need it. I do love that it has like this cutout here in the center. It is adjustable with this tie strap, and then these sleeves have a little bit of stretch to them, and they're like this really flowy, like ruffly sleeve. This dress is so cute. The silhouette is absolutely stunning. I love dresses that go out right at my hips because it really does show off my figure. So I actually really like this. I love the length on it. It is kind of have like a tiered effect to it because of the stitching, which we don't normally like, we as in me, but in this case I actually really like it. The color is really pretty. I think this would be better with a white slip underneath because there is no slip, but that's not too big of an issue for me because I already have white slips, so I'll probably wear this with one of those. But yeah, this is so stinking cute. I love it so much and I can't get enough of it. Unfortunately, there are no pockets, but it's just so cute. The back is also smocked, just so you are aware, but 10/10 recommended. I cannot get enough of it, and this is probably my second favorite item next to the dress I first showed. But I'll go ahead and show you what the back looks like. But again, this is just such a cute dress. So this is the last item of the entire haul. It is called the No Boundaries Juniors Bustier top and jogger pants 2-piece set. I got in a size XXL and it was originally $19.48. If I'm gonna be honest, love the bottoms, hate the top. So the top doesn't really fit me that well. There is padding in the chest area, you can't remove it, and these straps are not adjustable, and these straps need to be adjustable in order for this to be worn correctly. It is super thick and very stretchy. It also has kind of like a fuzzy lining. I forgot what that's called, but it's the kind of lining that you would find in a lot of sweatshirts. So overall, this top is cute, but it's not my personal fit, which is just so sad. So I can't keep wearing this. These bottoms though are really fun. They're a pink print. They are like a butterfly print, and I think they fit really well. They do have pockets here in the front. The waistband is very stretchy and elastic, and it's a full length jogger. 10/10, love the bottoms. I just don't really like the top. I think this would be a really cute like pajama set, but not really a like wear out kind of set, if that makes sense. So I do like the bottoms. I don't really like the top, but I'll go ahead and show you what the back looks like. So this is what the back looks like, and it also does have pockets. It seems to be a little see-through, but not super see-through because it is pretty thick. It just kind of shows the color of my underwear in the back where the pockets are. Okay guys, that's officially the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you like me and my personality, definitely subscribe button down below. I do a lot of plus size fashion, a lot of try hauls, and I'm just here to overall good time with you guys. As always, links to everything that I tried on will be in the description box below, as well as my stats, so you can check out my measurements and a link to my Poshmark closet so you can shop my size. I'm sorry I'm kind of rushing this ending. I am just on the verge of moving, and so I need to get this done. But I hope you guys like this video. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. Also, let me know what your favorite item was. I think my favorite item was that black floral dress, followed by like that tropical islandy dress, and then maybe followed by these because these are nice too. Oh, and those leggings are really nice too. Those like blue leggings. Oh, there were so many good items in this haul, and that neon green top was really cute too. So I obviously am having a hard time choosing, but if you have a favorite item, please let me know. Other than that, I think that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!